Hey guys, welcome back to another weigh-in with me. We're in week 9. Super excited for this week. I haven't vlogged in a while, I know. I've been pretty busy with work. Let me tell you what has been happening throughout my week. Of course, I have been eating really healthy. I've been eating mostly salads at work, sometimes maybe a wrap here and there. For breakfast, sometimes I'll have some eggs, or I'll have my shake, or I'll have some oatmeal. At home for dinner, I would either have a shake, my Herbalife, or I'll just eat egg and salad, something like that, something really small. I actually haven't gotten a chance to work out this week at all because of how tired sometimes my feet get after work and I can't really push myself too hard. On another note, I've walked a lot this week, not only at work, but to work and sometimes from work because the buses around here sometimes get pretty crazy. So by the time I would get to work, I would already have about 5,000 steps on my Fitbit. I guess you could consider that a little bit of a workout. So without further ado, let's get into my weigh-in, my pictures, my measurements, and my scale readings, and I'll see you guys in a bit. For my measurements, chest was 42 inches, waist was 36 inches, hips was 44.5 inches, thighs was 41 inches, arms was 14 and 14 1/4 on the left. My stomach was 41.5 inches. This week, my chest is 33 inches, my waist is 36 inches, my hips are 44 inches, my thighs are 35.5 inches, my arms are 13.5 on the left and 14 on the right, and my stomach is 42 inches. And for my scale readings, it was 43% water weight, 7.2 bone density, 26.5 muscle mass, 43.3 body fat. This week, I'm 43% water weight, 7.2 bone density, 26.8 muscle mass, so I went up in my muscle, and 42.6 in my body fat, so I went down in my body fat. Oh my god, you guys, did you see that number? I'm 196.4 pounds, which means I lost 2.6 pounds this week and a total of 10.3 pounds. Since the beginning of my weight loss journey, I am so happy for this number. The closer and closer I get away from the 200 range, I'm happy. My goal for March is to reach 190 pounds. If I could get a little bit under that, that would be great, but that's gonna be my goal for March. And considering how well I did in February, from January, 10 pounds, I think it's definitely possible. I see a difference in my body a lot, not only in the clothes that I wear, but in my progress photos. I'm noticing a lot of changes in my stomach and in my back rolls and in my thighs. My cellulite is actually going away, which is great. My body fat is going down and my muscle mass is going up, and that is great news to me. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me throughout this journey, for not letting me give up, and for always pushing me when I feel like I'm at my lowest. Also, I want to thank 70 Pounds of Life support group and weight loss support group. You guys rock, and your stories always inspire me to do better each day. So thank you guys for watching this weigh-in. I am excited to weigh in again with you guys next week. I hope you all are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow me in my weight loss journey into losing 61 pounds, hit that subscribe button down there. If you want to follow me in my daily life, I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, MyFitnessPal, and Fitbit. I will link all of those below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, any requests, write it in the comments below, and I will try and get back to you guys as soon as I can. Bye!